Words are sound. Sound is vibration. Vibration has frequency, and frequency has the powers, both positive and negative, to ourselves and to all beings.
Absolutely.
And we, they have power, but I do want to temper this slightly, and it's not really tempering, but words have power, and you can't unsay them once they come out. The correlating thought is you also have no way to know, anticipate, or plan for what someone else's reaction, what meaning they give to your words, etc. You cannot anticipate someone else's internal representation of the world and the way that they react to your words. There's absolutely no way. And so, yes, we all can attempt and have the intention to be kind, to not harm, etc.